delicious and nutritious recipes for a healthy body, foods that heal. Welcome to Foods That Heal, the YouTube channel dedicated to sharing delicious and nutritious recipes that can help improve your health and well-being. Today, we'll be showing you some of our favorite recipes that not only taste amazing, but also have a host of health benefits. Discover the power of food with Foods That Heal. Join us as we share some of the most delicious and nutritious recipes that can help improve your health and well-being. From immune-boosting smoothies to antioxidant-rich salads, we've got everything you need to fuel your body and feel great. First up, we have a delicious immune-boosting smoothie. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, this smoothie is the perfect way to start your day and give your immune system a much-needed boost. Next, we have a vibrant and nutritious salad that's loaded with superfoods like kale, quinoa, and blueberries. Not only does this salad taste amazing, but it's also packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can help improve your overall health. 1. Avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread mashed avocado on top, and sprinkle with sea salt and black pepper. Serve with a side of sliced tomatoes or a handful of baby spinach. 1. Greek yogurt and fruit parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of granola in a glass or bowl for a quick and satisfying breakfast or snack. 1. Veggie stir-fry. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, and stir-fry until tender. Add a sauce made with soy sauce, honey, and garlic for extra flavor. 1. Chickpea salad. Mix together canned chickpeas, chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and fresh parsley. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for a tasty and filling salad. 1. Smoothie bowl. Blend together frozen fruit, spinach, and almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings, such as sliced bananas, chia seeds, and granola. These recipes are all quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to help fuel your body. Enjoy! And finally, we have a mouth-watering roasted vegetable dish that's packed with flavor and nutrients. This dish is a great way to get a variety of vegetables into your diet, which can help improve your digestion and overall health. So there you have it. 3 delicious and nutritious recipes that can help improve your health and well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and health tips. Thanks for watching.